That fuck up chicken joint, heard? Exclusive. Morning. No perv in here. Yeah. Tell y'all, man, a little thing about that fucked up chicken. When people burn the shit, this nigga, I'm gonna cook this, kid. Had it look like Popeyes on the outside and say sushi in the middle. Better get loose. I mean, sat there straight in total disgust. I don't even know. Better love me, shut me, have me, boy. Straight from the freezer to the pan. You know how you getting us up. He fucked that chicken up. You didn't know what's up. Then I'm singing a little song, and I'm say real right. He fucked it up, straight up. You know what's up. Ooh. Boy, he fucked that chicken up. Why he so rude? Man, he fucked that chicken up. He did it. I seen him. You didn't know how you did it there. Better love me up. Could've seen it, yeah. Man, I'm gonna explain it up. Now I told you once, I'm gonna tell you again. There was Popeyes on the outside with the golden brown. He had like a sushi bar on the side of that chicken, nigga. What wing up? Better love me now because I'm better to pup, nigga. Holding now. That chicken was done, son. Like I said, man. It was Popeyes on the outside. Golden brown skin and everything. Straight sushi in the middle. Isn't that sad? Straight from the frying pan, or straight from the freezer to the pan. Just a little water in there, cause you know how you did it up. He took it out the freezer, Ran a little water on it, thought it was good, man. It was still frozen. The love him, the catch up, nigga, man. So, man, he just fuck. I don't know if he was drunk as fuck or high as hell, but he's dumb as hell. Better love my style, what's up? Good to call me up, nigga, fuck what's up. I'm about to say my chorus and sing it up because you know what's up. If you want to know the words, just listen and say it along. Because you know he did. He fucked that chicken up. He just so wrong. Ooh. Man, he fucked that chicken up. Why he so rude? Boy, he fucked that chicken up. Yeah, he did it. Oh, they so rude. Man, he fucked that chicken up. Why he so rude? Fucking all that chicken up. I seen him. He did it. He fucked it up. Fucked that chicken up. He did it, Ooh, 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 ooh. Boy, he fucked it up. That chicken nigga. Ooh, straight up ooh. Yeah, it's that ooh. Boy, he fucked that chicken up. Why he be so rude? Boy, he fucked that chicken up. I seen him. He did it. Wow.